Yes guys, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is question 15. One student asked me out 8.1, page number 101. So question number 15, we will do like we are doing questions in exercise 8.4 using combination, then it will be more easy. So what he says that compute the probability of randomly drawing 5 cards from a deck of cards. So a deck is having 52 cards. 5 cards we are drawing, we are taking randomly, and out of 5 one must be ace. So total we have 4 ace. Yeah, so 1 out of 5 cards. Compute the probability of randomly drawing 5 cards from a deck and getting exactly 1 ace. When you will take 5 cards, there must be 1 ace, exactly 1 ace. 4 cards others, but we need only 1 ace. So out of 4 ace, we need only 1 ace. Okay, 1 ace should be there, and 4 cards should be other cards. Okay, any other cards, but 1 should be ace. So this probability we have to find out. Probability of out of 5 exactly 1 ace. Exactly 1 ace we need. So 5 cards you are trying. So total outcomes will be out of 52 you are taking 5 cards. So this is total outcomes. So out of 5 cards, 1 is ace. So there are total 4 aces, 1 is ace. So out of 4, 1 ace, multiply. How many cards left? 52, 4 aces minus, so you will get 48 more. So out of remaining 48, you need 4 cards more, because 1 already you have taken. Okay, so now 4 cards more you have to take other than the ace out of 48. So this will be the combination, favorable outcomes. Now you can use calculator and find 4C1 times 48C4 and divide by 52C5. 3243 divided by 10829. 10829. So further, if you will divide this one, you will get 0.299, or you can say 29.9%. This is your answer. Okay, easy. If you will understand exercise 8.4, then this question is very easy for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you. Salam.